Record na. Okay. We'll see. Okay. Dalawang side lane. I see. Okay. 5 seconds before we start. Okay, welcome to SPJ matchups 2v2. Amaya and Jade versus Zyrald and Johan in the 2v2.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Okay.
Smash them. All troops deployed.
So, Lord Sai nagpa-farm. Pa-farm siya ngayon. While here, Jade with the Argus. Tamang clear lang sa mid lane. Habang si Amaya naman nasa bot lane on the XP lane. While Johan helped Zyrald clear. Okay, papunta na si Amaya sa mid lane. Nagwa 1v1 si Jade at si Johan. Okay. Tamang first kill lang para kay Johan. Okay, naglilito wonder si Zyrald. Red 3 secure. Lord Sai nagpa-farm lang dito sa tabi, pero mukhang nagkakaroon ng laban dito. Wala pala. Okay. Lamang ang blue side ng... No, actually, lamang na ang red side ng... less than 100. Okay. Oh my god. Napakabilis magbago ng mga gold leads. Okay, level 4 na si Zyrald. Habang level 3 pa ang iba, Lord Sai. Okay, nagpa-farm na dito siya. Habang si Amaya engaging the... Oh, Zyrald tumayo lang doon. Grabe. Papogi lang sa tabi. Okay, ayan na si Zyrald. Zyrald, lilikodan sila. Okay, heavy spin. Hindi makakatakas si Amaya. Mukhang mabibigyan si Amaya pero hindi makakatakas pa siya. Oh, pero the retry. There's the first blood. Okay, makakatakas pa nga si Jade. First blood. Now Amaya responds. First kill, okay. So, tamang farm lang uli dito sa Zyrald. 400 gold lead. Okay, level 4 na si Jade. May ulti na siya. Level 4 na rin naman si Johan. Pero, ayan na nga po. Ayan na naman. Amaya's dead again. But, can Jade hold on? No. There's the double kill by Johan. Wow, double kill. Mga side lane, grabe yung mga minions. Grabe sila mag-push. Okay, re-recall muna dito si Johan. Magbabak muna. Hindi na siya ultihan ni Amaya. Hayaan niya siyang makapag-back ng maayos. Vengeance is in cooldown at yung dalawang Inspire on cooldown din. Now, magpa-farm lang muna dito si Amaya. Papa-gold. Now, Lord Sai. Zyrald, level 6 na siya. Look at that, 2k gold lead. Okay, looking at the items, may corrosion site na si Wow, ang bilis. May corrosion site na kagad si Johan, while Jade, wala pa siyang corrosion site. But, malapit na. Mukhang Skypiercer yung unang bibuild ni Amaya, may iwan siya, but uses the tactical grenade para makatakas. Dreadnought armor naman ang inuuna ni Cyrald here. Di kagad tinapos ni Johan yung boots niya. Yan ang yung Skypiercer ni Leslie. Okay. Cyrald, tamang farm lang dito. Blue buff has been taken. Oh, ayan na! Sugod! Jade! Medyo na late sa pag-engage. Ulti! Pero kaya niya matalo. Meron na heavy spin! Makuhuli! Si Jade and Amaya will soon fall prey! Double kill! Double kill! Re-recall muna dito si Johan. 4-0-1! Johan channeling his inner Flap TC, habang Carl TC naman okay, pero Carl TC naman ang china-channel ni Lord Tai. Okay, Amaya now. Okay, nagki-clear lang dito, nagbabap lang. Pero yan si Lord Tai, baka mag-i-invade. Okay, naligtas pa siya. Amaya here. Nakuha ni Johan ang blue buff. Ayan na nga, Lord Tai, inaatake si Jade. Able to escape danger. Habang dito, kinikilo na nga Lito Wonder. Nakita sila with the ult, but they get the Lito Wanderer, so okay lang yun sa kanila. You know, ang pura na talaga nila dito ay late game, corrosion site, and anti-keras na build na respectively by Jade and Lord Tai. Okay, farm lang dito si Amaya. Okay. Okay. Tina-tower dive nila kanina si Jade. Look at this gold rate and the XP rate. Red side has been absolutely killing it. Pero Lord Tai gayon, tactical grenade to repel. Na may golden stuff na. Okay, papalag. Pero poke lang daw. Poke lang. Di sila ko-commit. Poke lang. Okay. Dominance Ice ang isusunod ni Lord Tai. Okay. Muntik na siya. Muntik ka na. Amaya, mahihila ng first kill ni Tamus. Alright. Okay. There's the ult pop. There's the ultimate sniper by Leslie, but now ayan na si Lord Tai. Okay, Lord Tai, mukhang lilikod na naman. Likod na naman. Huli na naman si Jade, but he's able to use the ult. Makakatakas pa nga ata. Makakatakas pa. Ngunit sinahabol siya. Tamus, and he is caught by the Tamus. Amaya, basic attack lang. Oh no, naglalag tayo. Okay, 5-0-1 is the score. 0-6. Okay, farm lang dito ngayon si Cyrald. You know the rules of 2v2, right? Kaya wala pa nag-turtle. Walang nag-turtle, walang nag-lord. Okay, Cyrald now. Here, just try to defend the mid lane turret. But it's not enough as the turret will be destroyed. Grabe. Na-destroy pa nila yung tower. Pero sa bot lane may nasira din. Okay. Okay. May wind talker na si Jade. Jade, baka mahuli uli. First kill to get out. Makakatakas mo siya. Endless battle ang isusunod ni Leslie, ni Amaya. Now, Dominance Ice has already been built by Cyril. Then there's the Endless Battle. Now, Leslie here, nag-clear lang muna siya dito sa bot lane. Farm lang. Nakapag-clear na dito sa mid lane si Jade. So, okay, Cyril and Johan making their way over to the Leslie. Pero nakita sila. And they will survive actually. Okay. Poke lang kay Cyril. Sumasakit na. Actually, sumasakit na si Amaya. Pero dapat mag-ingat kayo sa mga ganyan. Kasi the bush is one of the most dangerous places you can ever go. And Amaya makes the mistake. And it's caught off guard. Naka-retry na si Cyril. Okay, TP muna. Kahit 0-7 ang score, and right now, the mid lane turret will be defended. Okay, so okay. Okay, mukhang mag-invade dito sa Cyril. No, actually, okay, nakita siya. Okay, poke lang. Poke lang. Okay. Okay. Balag, pero nakalis. They're not gonna risk it. Kalma lang daw, play safe. But now there is... What? Why? Bakit siya bumili ng... that is an interesting choice. Demon Hunter Sword, even though wala namang matigas sa blue side. Okay. Cyril here nakakabang. Okay, they're gonna defend the mid lane. But can they get it in time? Yes, they will. Napakabilis na naman mag-defend. Okay, pero yung bot lane, nagpupush ang mga minions. And this tower by fall, hindi na umabot si Johan and falls. Alright? May haas close na si Argus. Oracle ata ang isusunod. Wait a minute. Okay. So, tama naman yung argument ni Amaya. Mid lane only kami, pero may core. Okay. Okay, mid lane. Okay, de-defend na ni Amaya yung mid lane. Oh, no! Jade, muntik na siya. At least hindi siya na-take down there. Alright. Amaya now is... She's just gonna defend bot lane here. Now, there's the Berserker's Fury. Masakit na to. I am telling you right now, masakit na to at masakit na rin talaga si Lord Sai. Sobrang sakit kahit ang or Axe is the next item for... Okay, hindi pa nila kinokompleto yung mga boots. Jade, skip the boots. No need for the boots daw, sabi niya. Okay, ulti dito para lang mas kita kung asan yung makalaban. Okay, Lord Sai here. Oh no, okay, makakaligtas Amaya. Nice dash out there. Ganda ng tactical grenade para makatakas. Pero ngayon, pumalag na sila. Dinerecho na. Shot down. Johan is down. Cyril is the only guy remaining at 30 seconds ang kanya respawn time. Kaya medyo matagal din. Medyo matagal din talaga. And now Jade recalls. Nice play. Napakaganda ng tactical grenade. Seriously. Napakaganda ng tactical grenade na yun. knocking out 2 guys. Now the lead is just cut down to 1k. Oh, grabe. Napakasakit na nung critical strikes. Tsaka yung true damage ni Amaya. Masyado, ang kati. Kanina nangingiliti lang, ngayon ang kati na. Level 15 na si Lord Sai. aka Cyrald, habang level 40 naman si Johan. Shane here, level 14, Amaya. While the Japanese guy, Jade, is now level 13. Click lang rin siya dito and look at that, may War Axe na. Ano kaya ang item ang susunod si Akai? Okay, tingnan nyo naman yung bot lane. Grabe mag-push yung mga minions. Ibang klase kayo, idol. Okay. Grabe, walang damage yung ulti. Walang damage yung ulti pero yung basic attack sobrang sakit. Grabe yung contrast. Okay. Si Jade na lang, hindi pa level 14 and mukhang gusto na talaga niya mag level 14 pero hindi pa. Lord Sai, nakita nila dito. Mukhang mahuhuli pero hindi. Amaya able to get out thanks to the tactical grenade. Blade of Despair ang isusunod dito ni Amaya and there's the Sea Halberd by... Oh, okay. Okay, nahuli na ng Lord Sai. Lord Sai, mukhang tatakbo na bet na heavy speed saves him. Walang ulti sa Amaya kaya hindi siya mapapatay. Ayan na, Johan! Okay. Oh, walang kwenta si Jade. Double kill, there it is, double kill. 40 seconds respawn time. Grabe. Low push, minions lang ang makakapag-push. Hindi nila ito may-end. It is not possible. So, the match shall go on. Masakit. Radiant armor than Sea Halberd. Binenta na ang boots. Makukuha na ng Queen's Wings. Bakit ka nagpo-push? Bawal mag-push, Johan. Bawal mag-push. Okay. Okay, buhay na si Jade. Buhay na si Amaya. Vision muna dito. Kaso wala. And that ensures that she can take the blue buff without anybody trying, without the enemy trying to just, okay, nakita si Johan, aalis na dito. Full build na siya. Ay, hindi pa pala, sinel niya nga pala yung boots. Now, the boots still not being completed. Now, apat na ang item ni, ni Jade. Is very strong. But it's not gonna be enough. Lord Sai, susubukan natin kumiling doon. Okay, makakatakas pa. There's the retribution. Okay, mukhang mamamatay dito si... No, oh! Okay! Okay! Okay, buhay pa! Oh no! Ayan na! Okay, patay na si Lord Sai! There it is! First kill by Jade! There's the wipeout! He got the Berserker's Fury. Ano kaya isusunod dito na Maya? Hunter Strike? Maybe. But look at the bot lane! Yung mga minions nagpupush! Tamang basic attack lang sa Torre. Look at the minions! 20 seconds before Lord Sai spawns. No, Blade of Heptasis actually. Boots na lang ang kulang. Kaya Maya. Okay. Okay, mukhang gusto na talaga yan ng mga minions na to. Kasi marami na. Lord Sai now. Aabot pa siya? Aabot pa sila sa party. Aabot pa nga sila sa party and they will be able to defend. Okay, grabe. Ewan ko, itutuloy niya yung boots. But Lord Sai actually has the least gold right now. Most gold ay ang kanyang kakampi na si Johan. Alright, Amaya here. Check bush lang muna sila ni Jade. Okay, ayan na yung Guardian Helmet. Okay, let's see kung anong gagawin, anong balak gawin dito ni Amaya sa kanyang item na boots. Oh, grabe yung poke! Napakasakit ng poke! Oh no! Okay. Baka pag-def sila. Baka pag-def sila. Okay, grabe talaga yung poke. Napakasakit ng basic attack. Natakbo na sila sa 7 speed ni Cyril. But now, Cyril engages them. Inuuna si Amaya. But no! Yards down! Double kill! Cyril down! There's the Demon Hunter Sword. At ayan na, mukhang i-end na dito. Dito na ata matatapos ang laban. Wala nang laban na mangyayari. The comeback is real. TP's over here. And Amaya and Jade will win this game.
Victory!
What a match. What a match. Epic comeback. That's all for game 1. See you in game 2.